In Aporion VTT, combat encounters are managed through a fully automated initiative tracker that synchronizes turn order, character resources, and UI feedback across all connected players. In this video, I'll walk through how the initiative system works, both from the player's perspective and from the system architecture behind the scenes. Combat begins when the Dungeon Master selects the tokens that should participate in the encounter and presses the Initiate Combat button from the UI. These selected tokens are stored in a server-side array and passed into the combat system. Once combat is initiated, each token is flagged as being in combat and added to a dedicated turn order array that will manage the entire initiative sequence. Each token already contains its initiative value as part of its character stats, which are stored in a replicated save data structure. When combat starts, the system sorts all participating tokens based on their initiative values. This sorting is performed server-side using a bubble sort implementation that compares initiative values between the tokens and swaps them until the array is ordered from highest initiative to lowest. The resulting array represents the official turn order for the encounter. The first element in the sorted turn order array automatically becomes the active character. The system marks that token as on turn, highlights it inside the party list interface, and updates the quick access panel with the actions and bonus actions available for that character. At the same time, all of this information is replicated to connected clients, so every player sees the same combat state. At the start of each turn, the system restores the character's turn-based resources. The number of actions, bonus actions, and available movement distance are reset using the character's stored stats. This ensures that each token begins their turn with the correct resources available. When a player or the DM presses End Turn, the system advances the initiative order. Internally, this is handled by removing the first element of the turn order array and adding it to the end. This effectively rotates the array and moves the next character to the front of the queue. That token is then marked as the new active character and the UI updates automatically. DMs also have the ability to overwrite initiative values directly from the party list interface. When an initiative value is edited, a UI event is triggered that ends the current turn, restores the tokens, and refreshes the turn order. These changes only apply to the current combat encounter and do not modify the character's stored stats. The party list interface provides a clear visual representation of the combat order. Each entry displays the token portrait, animated health indicator, initiative value, and armor class. The currently active character is also highlighted with a circular indicator so players can quickly identify whose turn it is. By combining server-side initiative management with dynamic UI updates, the system keeps combat structured and synchronized for every player at the table. This initiative tracker is one of the core systems that powers combat encounters in Aporion VTT.